Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to download Delta Executor on mobile. Firstly, open your browser and search for Delta Executor. Visit the official website at deltaexecutor.com. On the website, scroll down and click on the download button. Clicking the download button should redirect you to the dedicated download page. On the download page, just click on the Download Delta button to start downloading the APK file. For the latest version of Delta Executor, click on Download Latest button. Just allow the download to complete, then after the APK file is downloaded, open it on your phone to begin the installation. And once installed, just launch the Delta Executor application and it will be ready to use. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.